so today on K&K Do It Yourself, as one of our first video game videos, we have the new Nintendo XL. It's basically the new Nintendo, it's like the new Nintendo 3DS XL, just about the 3D effect. And we also have Animal Crossing New Leaf. This will be an unboxing. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so first thing I see is we got the power adapter. This is really good because on the new Nintendo 3DS XL, they actually didn't include these because they thought you'd probably be like upgrading, kind of like a DS to a 3DS. But for people who, you know, this was their first DS, it was annoying to not have the AC adapter. I have like a million of these, but that's still good to have. And then what we've got is the system itself and the paperwork under the system. So, all right, put that right there. So this is the startup guide and stuff. But I have a 2DS, not the new 2DS. So, these are the AR cards. These are cool because it takes advantage of the cameras to do like augmented reality. So like feel 3D figures and stuff. So this is really cool. I lost most of my cards on my old DS, so it's good to have them back. Oops. And this is the system itself. I gotta say, I think I prefer this new design. It's all nice and sleek. A weird quirk though is that if you take the stylus out here, that's tiny. I would definitely have made it bigger, but this is also made to be cheaper and stuff, probably for kids, so for like kids with smaller hands. And this is the system itself. That's a really nice screen. This is way bigger than my old one. So the difference is with the new one is obviously it now folds, but also has more processing power. So you know, games will be faster, less lag. Also, you have this little C stick. It's kind of like having a second stick, but it doesn't have full motion. It's just kind of a little nub, like almost like a nipple or something. And then you have an extra set of shoulder buttons right here. So for new 3DS specific games, you're gonna need the extra controls and horsepower. Oops, let me go.
Don't worry about that.
Okay, whatever. So that's really cool. I especially like that folds because it's more compact and well, it can actually fit in your pocket. So that's really cool. And then AC adapter, you know, normal plug and stuff. Now, whenever we were at Walmart buying it, I also got this game, Animal Crossing New Leaf. In this game, you are a mayor of a town, and you know you have to build your town. That's cool. So let's carefully cut this open. Fly or something. Oh yeah, we're also at our brand new house that we've moved into, so that's cool. So you got the back box, that's cool, front box.
Is this for your Wii?
So this is for my DS.
For your DS, okay.
Yeah, 3DS. So Animal Crossing, New Leaf. So that's really cool. So that concludes the boxing. I will have a ton of fun with it. This actually comes pre-installed with Mario Kart 7 also. So have fun with that. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Maybe after you get it charged up and you've played with it for a while, we can do a video on you.
Like a review.
Like a review.
Comprehensive review. So yeah, that should come soon, probably like the next day or so. So thank you for watching, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you around.